Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Today, we want to help you with how to use white candle to get your ex lover back, promise and fail, luck, and other purposes. In our previous video, we talked about how to use the black candle for problems like back to sender. If somebody does something to you and want the thing to go back to the sender, how to use the black candle for that, how to banish any evil spirit tormenting your life, how to make a stubborn debtor pay you, how to stop betting, and a whole lot of things. So please kindly try as much as possible to watch that particular video. So today I want us to talk about how to use white candles for its purposes. So the white candle, you can use it for purification, healing, angelic connection, meditation, blessings, new beginnings, spiritual growth, prayer amplification. If you want your prayer to reach God very fast, how to use it. So if you have a problem like disappointment, promise and fail, stagnation, setbacks, bad dreams, failed relationship, failed businesses, hatred, when you get money, you don't know what you use the money for, and all of a sudden you just lose the money. If you are such a person, you can also use the white candle. So if you just want to have your healing, that one you use it with blue candles. So you get about two white candles and then three blue candles. You write your names on it. You write all your both names. If you have a surname and the first name, you write it on it, and then you anoint it from the middle to the top, the middle to the bottom. Then you light the five candles, which are the three blue ones and then two white ones. Then you light it up and you pray. You pray with it for 7 days. And then each night you are going to use your thumb to quench the fire or to put off the fire. Instead of blowing it off, you just do that. So you are going to use the same candle for 7 nights, and then you receive your healing or you receive your blessing that you want. Then if you also need purification, maybe there are a lot of things that you want to overcome, things are just on you and you don't understand. If you do that direction, all those things are going to leave you. So as I said, you can use a pin or nail or needle to write your name on the candles whenever you want to use it. So if you have a problem like disappointment, promise and fail, stagnation, setbacks, bad dreams, failed relationship, failed business and stuff, that one you can do this particular direction with the white candles. So what you are going to do is that you are just going to use only one white candle. So for this one, you can do it any time of the day, any time of the night, any day, any time. Even if you are in your menstruation and you think that you are in a difficult situation, you can use the white candle. So this one brings you a very quick result. So anytime that you see that you are in a very difficult situation, you can use the white candle for that. You just need only one white candle. What you are going to do is that you use both hands to hold it. So while you are holding it, you should be kneeling. And then at the same time, you just open Psalm 51, you recite the whole chapter, and then you also recite Psalm 69, the whole chapter, Psalm 121, the whole chapter. After doing that, you now ask for the things that you want. You'll be praying, 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 and ask for all the things that you or heart desires. So after doing that, what you are going to do is that you now use the white candle to wrap your entire body from your head to your toes. So this one too, you are going to go naked. So what you are going to do is that you use it to wrap your entire body. Then after doing that, you now use a nail or needle to write your name on the candle. You now anoint it with palm oil or olive oil from the middle to the top and then from the middle to the bottom. So after doing that, what you are going to do is that you now light it up to pray. So you wait till it burns down completely before you now wear your clothes and then you go and sleep. Please kindly ensure that you sit down for it to burn down completely. If you don't want to burn it too, you can just take it and then you go and drop it on a busy road for vehicles to pass on it. And then if you allow it to burn down too, So for this one, as I said, you can do it in the daytime or in the night time. So any time of the day you can do it, and then you just go have you are supposed to go and dump it on the busy road. And then when you do that, and then vehicles pass on it, that is all. So if you are going to burn it, kindly ensure that you sit down for it to burn down completely. We all know how candles are. Candle can burn your home. So please kindly ensure that when you are using candles for any spiritual direction, you do it with caution. You should, when you are burn it on a metallic plate. You can even fetch water around it. When you are able to make a stand, you can fetch water around it so that even in case it falls, it is just going to fall into water, and then the water will quench the fire. So please kindly ensure that you do those things. When we are working with candles, kindly ensure that you take those safety precautions. So this is a very simple direction to do. The white candles, there are a lot of things we can say about it. Like if you are having a partner and then the person is such that the person wants to leave you for no reason, you can use the white candle to make the person stay. So what you are going to do is that you are going to get 7 white candles. You're also going to get sugar, honey, and salt. So you're also going to get a very, very big one ripe pineapple. So you just cut the pineapple into two. For this one, you are not going to cut it such that it will be vertical, such that by vertical I mean that you are going to cut it the way such that from the head of the pineapple to the bottom. No, this one you are going to cut it horizontally. So you cut it into two equal parts, and then you put one half down, and then the bottom part of the pineapple, that is where you are going to use. You now create a hole inside that part. So if you create a hole inside that part, you are now going to put the 7 candles in that hole, the hole that you have created in the middle of the pineapple. You are going to put the 7 candles there. You are now going to pour your sugar, your honey, your salt around the pineapple, the hole that you created in the pineapple that you have put the candles there. You are going to put these things around the candles when they are inside the pineapple there. So you are going to pour your sugar, your honey, your salt around it. So after that, what you are going to do is that you are now going to say your intentions and then you pray. But please, before you do this, kindly ensure that you write your name and then your partner's name on the candles. But please, this one you are not going to anoint the candles. So after writing the name and then saying your intentions and your prayer, commanding your heart desires and stuff, making sure that the person does not leave you and those stuff, what you are going to do is that you now on the candles or you light it up. So you are going to use any match stick or something that you have to light it up. So after lighting it up, you sit down and then you'll be praying, and then you'll be saying your heart desires, what you want the partner to do for you. So you'll be saying those things, and then you wait till the candle burns down completely. Please, this one you cannot do it for anybody. The person has to do it himself or herself. So you allow it to burn down completely, and then when it finished burning, what you are going to do is that you put the other half of the pineapple that you cut, you are going to put it on it, then you allow it to cover it completely. After that, what you are going to do is that you use a white cloth to wrap it, and then you tie it very well. You are now going to bury it beside a muddy area or beside a river. Then when you are burying it, you say that anytime you drink water, kindly ensure that you remember me. So you mention a person's name, like maybe Joshua. Whenever you drink water, remember me. So this is how you can also use the white candle to make your lover stay. Or even if you have an ex and then the person, you want the person back or something, you can do this particular direction. So kindly ensure that before you do this, your heart is clean, then you are not going to harm the person. with this. Like maybe after doing this and then the person comes back, you are now going to teach the person a lesson or something like that. Make sure that you do this with pure intentions, and then it is going to work for you. Kindly ensure that any direction that you do with candles and stuff, after doing it, maybe if it is 3 days direction, just ensure that you go and do any charity to people so that it works very well for you. Thank you very much for watching this video. In our next video, we shall talk about how to use red or pink candles to make your partner love you and stuff. You can also talk about how to use green candles for money, how to use blue candles for healing, and a lot of things. So please kindly ensure that you subscribe to the channel to get more videos to watch on this channel and more remedies. If you have any special problem too, you can contact me on Facebook and all the social media platforms, the remedies. Thank you very much. Bye.
Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and then the notification button. Thank you very much.